Well, welcome back to our videos and good job working on all of your data, working on your buffers, queries, processing, everything. Now you're at the point where you need to combine your good criteria and your bad criteria so you can find the area where you can go cut trees. And this is the most exciting part of the project according to us. But the way you gotta do this, you have to kind of think it through. So think about it. You have your good criteria that you want to combine all together. You want to find an area where everything that's good overlaps. But you also want to combine all your bad criteria because you don't want to touch anything that is part of the bad criteria. So there are 3 tools that we're going to use to do this. And Zach is going to talk to you about them.
All right, so imagine here that we have 2 separate layers. We have a red box right here and a blue circle. There are 2 separate layers. There are some tools we have that can basically allow these layers to interact and become one layer. So the first one we've got is called intersect. Intersect finds where the 2 layers overlap and returns a new layer that's just the overlapped area, kind of like a Venn diagram. So this half circle represents this half circle here where the circle overlaps with the box. Our next tool, union, doesn't necessarily look for where they overlap, it just returns anywhere either of them exist. So it will return the box and the circle into one shape, making this. And last, we have the erase tool. The erase is a little different. You have to declare one of them as an input layer and the other one as an erase layer. So if we put this box in as the input layer and the circle as the erase layer, we get a return of this. It returns the box, but erases any of the area where the circle overlapped. And those are our 3 tools.
Perfect. So now that you can have an idea of how they work, let's think this through again. You have all of your good criteria, and you want to figure out which areas in your area of interest meet all these criteria. You need to find a place where all they overlap. Which one of those 3 tools will you use? We're going to give you 3 seconds to think about it. If you need more time, just pause the video and think it through. I think it's been like 3 seconds now. Or not, whatever.
Yeah.
So, what tool do you think you should use? Exactly, you're gonna use intersect. What about the bad criteria? What are we gonna use?
So for the bad criteria, we're not looking for where it overlaps. We're just looking for where any bad criteria exists because we need to get rid of it later. So we're actually going to use union for the bad criteria.
And try to think about this like the way you think when you're creating a definition query and you're talking about and or. Like and or are kind of like what we do here. This will be and this is kind of like an or operation, if that makes it easier. If you have a programming brain, that will help you think it through. But the last step is that you still want to find a way, like when you look at this on your map, you're gonna see that a lot of the good intersection, your intersection with all the good stuff, is gonna have some bad criteria too. So it doesn't matter if I have everything that is part of my good criteria. If there's anything, any part that's touching, anything that's like overlapping, it's also bad criteria. We don't want this. So we have to use another tool to do this. And think about it, the only tool that you have left right now is erase. So that's what we're gonna use. We're going to erase the bad stuff from the good stuff. And we'll show you in another computer video how to do this and how to make sure you're entering the right thing. But this is the most important part of your project. This is the part where everything comes together. So make sure you're understanding this because it might be part of your final exam. It usually is, we don't know now. But thank you for watching us. We hope you understand this.